Welcome the our channel. Today we how to download Airtable for linking project tasks and resources. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.airtable.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign up for free button. Click on that button to begin the sign up process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the Get Started button. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Airtable. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Airtable website. Now, fill in the necessary information to set up your account. Create a strong password and confirm it in the provided field. After filling in the required details, click on Create Account. Upon successful account creation, you will be taken to your Airtable dashboard. To download the Airtable app, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Look for the Download section. Click on the download link that matches your device's operating system. Follow the on-screen instructions to download the application. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow any prompts that appear to complete the installation. Once installed, open the Airtable app. Log in using the email and password you created earlier. You are now ready to link project tasks and resources using Airtable. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features and capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.